Hey guys, and welcome back to the Laws of Physio YouTube page. This is day 15 of the Practice What I Preach series, and today I felt sore, and I'm happy that I felt sore because it's been a hot minute since I felt soreness from a workout. So, very happy with the workout yesterday. Yeah, so today was just more of a kind of balancing, corrective kind of day. Wasn't going to go too hard. I wasn't really feeling any soreness in my shoulders, so I did a bit of overhead pressing, which is shown on the screen. Following that with a bit of rowing, which I also didn't do yesterday. So starting with some high rows and then supersetting it with some lower rows just to engage the traps, rear delts in combination with the lats after they get fatigued. And then I just finished off the workout with some overhead tricep extensions. So a little bit of a faster workout just because I was working today and I had to, pump something out before I got started. And I'm got some good news because I've also dropped about a kilo. So I'm really happy about that. So working out, starting to be more consistent with my workouts, as well as eating a little bit cleaner, is starting to make me feel good and look about the same, because I probably won't notice any changes until I compare photos in a couple weeks time. So yeah, happy with that. And today probably the main thing is just to keep a record of everything you do, because you can't really tell you have any changes straight away. You need to kind of see how you progress over time. So always take one, try to make it a routine. So I try to take it every Monday when I just wake up, and then I kind of compare how I feel in the next coming weeks. And it's a good tool to look back in, weeks, months, years time, and just seeing how much you progressed. Even today I was looking back on photos back from 7, 8, 9 years ago, and I've made massive dramatic improvements, and it just keeps you motivated, makes you grateful that you took those photos back in time, and that you're actually getting somewhere and you're changing, you're improving. A lot of people say like they want to be able to time travel, but we're all traveling forward in time, so might as well do something now, and then we can look back on it in a couple years time and just see how much we've grown. So hopefully this is a record of that as well. So I hope you're having a good day or night, and I want you to stay safe. Take care, guys.